Is anxiety a disease? Anxiety is not a disease but a disorder. It has various classificatory criteria based on which we diagnose a person having anxiety. Not just classificatory criteria, there is clinical observation, behavioral observation, clinical interview. All these together combined helps us to reach to a conclusion that the person has anxiety disorder or not. There are different types of anxiety disorders, and for each type of anxiety disorder there are different sets of diagnostic criteria. There are neurochemical changes in our brain when it comes to anxiety. Basically, there are three important neurotransmitters which play a role when a person is suffering from extreme anxiety. It starts off with increased level of serotonin, then comes your cortisol level, and there is norepinephrine. When all these three levels rises up, a person tends to have symptoms mimicking of anxiety. What is an anxiety attack? An anxiety attack, often known as panic attack, mimics physiological upheaval symptoms. It often comes with physiological symptoms like rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath, palpitation, restlessness, sweating. These are often very common symptoms of panic attack. It usually lasts for a few minutes to let's say 10 to 15 minutes. It's like an U-shaped bell curve wherein it gradually rises, reaches its peak, and then gradually comes down. These panic attacks can have an immediate reason or it may not have an immediate reason, but there's always a psychological reason behind it. The psychological symptoms are the main factors that leads up to a panic attack. For example, it can be if you've had an argument, that can lead to a panic attack, or an continuous anxious thought that all of a sudden gives you a panic attack. Does anxiety medications help? Anxiety medication definitely helps. Depending on the severity of the symptoms, a person is prescribed medication. Usually, when the symptoms are too severe, there is a physiological reaction to it. To combat that reaction, we have medications prescribed by experienced psychiatrists at Cadabums. They often have a thorough clinical interview with the patient, and based on that, we prescribe medications. It is very important to understand the correct dosage and the duration of medication given. Not all clients with anxiety will be given the same medication. It depends on the individual's anxiety or the nature of anxiety. Therefore, it is very important to understand what kind of medications you are getting, what are the effects of the medication, both long-term and short-term, the need to comply to medication. It is important to know that each medication prescribed has a specific function and a duration to be followed. It is advisable to complete the duration or course of your medication in order to prevent a relapse of your symptoms. How to cure anxiety? Anxiety is treatable and manageable. We at Cadabums provide a holistic treatment to treating anxiety. It can be treated with pharmacotherapy, where medications like anxiolytics, multivitamins are given. There's also focus on psychotherapy, wherein there are different forms of psychotherapy to handle your anxiety, the root causes of it. It starts off with relaxation therapy to address the immediate physiological upheaval. Then comes the CBT, which is cognitive behavior therapy, which addresses your maladaptive thought process. And then there is also biofeedback along with mindfulness-based therapies. All these treatment approaches will help you to overcome your anxious state and get back to a functioning where your anxiety is no more crippling you.